Good morning, everyone. Good morning, my lovely people. Good morning, my beloved Nigerians all over the world. It's Jesse Ugiagbe. When you all know on Facebook, on YouTube, Jesse Williams TV. Yeah, I am here today to talk to my Edo people about APC and PDP. About APC and PDP. That's why we are here today. Let me sing one song before I start this very program. Let me sing one song. You guys know that I said one thing the other time that if anything come aboard, I can bring it out before our program time on Sunday. So my people, I want to tell you people today, Jesse Williams TV, I want to sing one song. Listen and be blessed in Jesus' name. Amen. Iroviarioba o ibuzeri enarioba. Iroviarioba o ibuzeri enarioba o. Iroviarioba o ibuzeri enarioba o. Ibute egboma ibute todolowanji. My beloved Nigeria people, especially my old city where I came from, and my old state that I came from, Edo State. Why you guys I'm doing all those things to yourself? But politics is not do or die. I am here to advise you guys. If you don't know what you are doing, you should just quickly deviate from it. Very, very important. One thing that I want to tell you people today that you people don't really understand. Obaseki and what they call the other one, and Izeyamu, all of them, they are the same. All of them, they are one family. One thing I saw in Edo State is that our youth is the problem of Edo State. You are killing yourself today because of politics. You are creating enemies. Please share this video. I'm not going to stay long. I just have about 1 to 10 minutes to say this thing to the world. You guys are creating enmity to yourself today because of politics. Do you guys know that those APC and PDP, they are one family. They are eating in one plate. They are doing their things in one place. They are political party. They are political party. My people, I can see that it's only Edo State that we can find political thoughts, of which is very bad. That we can find political gigolo. My guys, we wanna hear very anai. Ibi etoni mo se. Gbenegbe we je pe. Gwenu wa mami negbe we aponte. Eri wa je a. Wa ju nwa kie na wa gbele gbo wa bana wa jo do kie wa jo mo kie na ba me politics. What problem wa mu na no ma go there. A politics do de me mi gba wu na de awu wa na lu kan ona wa kin obe awo me na lu ga gbe awo me na lu ga gbe ori bi ete so lu ga gbe o ori bi ete so lu ga gbe wo ku wa na kin obe he bi ento me. Me, Jesse Ugegbe, I am here to advise you guys. If you like, you take it. If you like, you don't take it. Listen to me. Listen to my advice. Obaseki and Izeyamu, they are fighting today because of politics. Tomorrow, you will sit there in one roof. Yes, if you don't know. Anybody don't know where we are voting PDP, APC, where you are. A boy naga about say boy na no sing Idris Adukari sinwa a party no kind of when they get ella do e wono na ru wahia igbina ya tell party ya eru wahie me wagate ebo imaye gbona te o ibi adoke amodori ya o wagate. No, what my back one I like be. Eh? I could beg you, on a kiobe. Oh, a weapon in me now. Me may make a Nakamo, there where El Gomana here 40 a dad dog em yoga, a dad dog em mad dog, a dad dog em macoma, no hole no 40 na wor you in. Walk out me money me a 40 now. Iya gbinana nia wa egbina gbele gbugwa ni akwa de ban wa do aso eriye dagbo me ya fefefe eriya so anu nu mieke na lapo eriye dagbo me ya fefe eriye dagbo me ya fefe umaje mere o Obaseki umagije mere o no ke eruwaje a boy problem why. That week been no support in Nania. Why you get a pastor see a yakin no do a politics church in ya. A pastor like work close in the there now. Iana your boss a lobo ya keke na a politics a ruwaje. O tell dog back and a politician. We are voting a PDP. In Yagua, a PDP, I vote in a PDP. I vote in an OKO. I have a problem. What mother a way, and knocking. Oh, no, na a way. Election oga do state ugwajari ebiedo me ugwajari ogugwa ibi yefefefe gbugwa ono wa lukan wa la video ne wa iro be no se no bi ugwa wa ise no bi era no keke no ga erugwa no kwa ije no keke no ga erugwa no kwa enene la video no wa she o nu wa she wa kewe la o wa be o mi wa kan ta me ma be politician wa he politics wa kan agbele gbugwa wa na ono na manario. Enyanan wakbinana na PDP APC PDP iyama wa iyama ewe yeye It's okay. Iliobosa, thank you so much. Thank you. Good morning. How are you doing? Nuwa wa je na ga bona kinania. Oga boni nakin. Gumete me pa ma wa. Nana mi ewe o ha gi agugwa kwon na. APC wi onyedo. PDP wi onyedo. A toss na wa vega government. Eruwa jea. A toss. Our government, anybody will say minute they don't vote for you, we go kill her. Wa gbere gbugwa wa egbe election ore na mama ebe mi egbo ete bo tag mo na ni mebe when me ebe dese ba gbon. At my age 40 something years old lady, I have never me gbem na le do state de me dero ewe boni meje e da do me right na to ni ya vote na guys me no jena ni aye ti ma we get ire PDP so why ya gba ka me vote why ya gbe me wa ibi edoni mose eri wa je a wa fi werie aju tell a politician iya ma wa e no ya meta mu wa na e ba ku are wa be do afie eri gbina nu eri ma wono na ki gbe eri ma we no ke ki gbe eru dage nu na lapo e ga no e ja we bi ya fefe imami pele mo mi we imami we say a pastor so davenu wa la go we pastors adege a church room no ma wa pe wa akporu yin no ma wa bi egbe a politician re wa bi o egbe politics re ave pastor ni do akie a church ni ado akporu a politics we ba ni what is your problem wa vote on as a pastor as a man of God when that one ya ka we na vote on na vote on na o me right ni evnu gwa that means we they against someone e can when I ka vote on na vote on na we they against Osalobuane. What problem is a sin in the sight of God. Waga church why do we vote for PDP A+A talk ba yes my people it's not by force talk ba e not that important if do a governor e rune da do keke no na a governor no do le do strategy o keke ni ma le ruwen e talk ba dey important anami amwe no keke no a pastor ni ruwe wa go te pa ma wa ni wa mai e no keke ni wa ta we oga APDP o ki an winning at a PDP o keke ti do le doji we create a fasting and prayer for 7 days. Where our no win election now. Na me where our no $80 doji no. And what dona? Our no $80 doji. No je do amose. Ne kinapa na do egwere. Na we kinapa na egwe bi do alen winner. Ibi ukpo do ama. Hospital do ama. Ikpata we siga ya ikpa ye dore e no ka ken gwa wu nikin A+A talk ba A+A talk ba oga oga 4+4 talk ba oye 4+4 talk ba oye when the APC je oga APC also lo ba ordain no $80 doji Sokma ne doni ga ma no salobo la gogo no ri obo yoye ke no wani wini no wini Stella good morning Sokma we no $80 doji ne doni ma wa ga video na no je ma ya fefe no je do orupa ga ro hospital ga ro e no ma ya fe ga ro tedo mani vera we no ka boya davenu gwa ni vera we boliru gwa odavenu gwa gbe a project won waka we eriyan wa winner a PDP winner APC winner no watana half projects eyan half projects eyan when area na winner we ekeregele ere no ka jigo ya print a picture no jigo ya print a picture or no jigo ya print a t-shirt or we no gualo no jigo ya wear a poster no amu ye gbeken or we no gualo go that side I'm on live video go that side please so ọmọ no je uzo ya kwifi o amene uzo ni ki amulata niyen wala agwogwo ibiedo eruwa je eruwa bana wa mi ewe eruwa aware ne ogwa kiobe what's here a PDP wa ina enforce wa ya na win ne wa na do solar tin awe iya ma mu igonu wa wa yo gba kele dia iwa denu wa egbugwa wa gwo me gwaga igwa lele video ma koma no ri gwa ka we PDP wa wota ogwagu ibie APC we PDP gari gun ayeye wa lahin agbon ya ti we vote ne party opa that don't have a choice omo no vote na My youth of Edo State, I want to invite you. I want to advise you guys today. Listen to me and listen good. Let me tell you one thing. For instance, Obaseki win tomorrow, or Izejami win. Tomorrow, what are you going to say if they did not do anything? What are you going to do? What are you going to say? Today, that guy that sing, what they call that guy that sing that day? Idris, don't enter Edo State to Idris Adrukari. Don't enter Edo, Edo, Tawe Pawan Wame. Politics is a game. Politics is a game. It's a game. When you play it where you have your mouth to play for one and you have your mouth to deceive people, you will win it. That is politics. Why are we killing ourselves? Why are we killing ourselves? Abati no ro ogwa robio biari obioku no man vote in PDP eri na kian we first we no Abati wa bi agbene gugwa ye gbe ni dala na wa we gugwa gun wa be yen to wa be jere wa bi ari respect due respect ne omono ba no yen ne omono ba no yen do upu apolopolo oba ga to pe ise wa bi ari due respect no bia ni wa ke bia we bi kemi. You people who were more Edoni, who were more Egboto. I was so shocked to see about the lads and Doka where Akobegian was here. Was an Akobegian is a Doka. Yes, I didn't answer. 1 year left here. Was single 1 year. What you buy niya? What am I party niya can allow? Maybe ni mejebo ire PDP ire PC. Eru ni mena baba di o wa komare no eti dole toniji. That is my prayer today. A prayer ni me pray. Baba, Jesus no mi ma fa. E kedi na le ru egbe na we negbe me. E ba ni na no bia na noko. E ba ni na we na we e baba no do die. O wa ko ma no do lo te doji. Ne do ana aje we bo. E meso akin akanya wu gwa jogwa pupo. Wo ya jogwa ya pupo. Wu gwa jogwa imoto no amuso gwa. Erosion wi gbewa. O te ma sa ga mi le gbe marama. Wetin hospital ma iye gba ogo ma umona rigo yo to ne hospital I set treat ma. God bless you mama for this message because we the Benin cannot set and fill our hand for some political to destroy our beautiful kingdom. Thank you, my beloved sister. It's okay. Thank you so much. It's only Edo State. You can find political thoughts. It's not good. You people are not happy. If you are looking for political thoughts and political gigolo, it's only Edo State. Oh my God. It's only Edo State. You can find political gigolos and toys. Why all those things? Because they are jobless. They don't have job. That is where they eat from. That is where they eat from. Eledo, manyado, mananyado, ewebo, amami ononya Ori opera webo no lata de na onya webo esunu. Odi eruni mena no salobo awe na miewe onwa wero no gele latian oduta mi bia do ya fefe we no nye doro. Ogbera mo no ba nedo. No nye doro. I have been abroad for years. I have been abroad for years. I have never experienced those things, and I have never heard it. I have never seen it in my eyes. What you people problem? Killing yourself because of political. You will just go to school at the end of the day. Who watch a school? A school where you will use this as a thought. It will be a useless because of political. You will be calling me illiterate. Me that is illiterate is better than you that use your education as a toy because of politics. And the gigolos, me, I am better than you. Me that is illiterate, I have my brain. I use my brain. You that call yourself a graduate and you don't have your sense. You don't know how to use your brain. You don't know how to calculate. You don't think tomorrow. You are thinking what you are going to eat now. What is you people problem? You will become a political toys. People will be seeing you and be running. Anybody that's living in Europe, anybody that's living in Europe, you guys will say, don't come to Benin. I know you're come Benin. Oh. Shebi, you don't vote for PDP. Shebi, you don't vote for APC. What's you guys' problem? I'm really angry as I'm here. And the verse. What's it been a problem? What's it been a problem because of political? Because of politics. Because of politics, you people, I don't the verse so any other English you take land, you take her like that. If you like her, you don't like her. On a Lazian, vote in APC again me a party eva Lazian. Only say ti already an vote no na. Only ha already an vote no na. Okpa or winiwo. Wane abe toy ni red don abe toys ni wo wa gbepa. Wane abe toys ni red don no wo yan gbepa. Wa do ye politician ya kemi obe. If you are there to be me, what does any again away me? Okay, when we are been anania, just count of as the time they fight, I bet make una count on how much Obaseki go fit pay for all those people now. Make una ask me because that message make una go keep on, because tomorrow then they come. Tomorrow they are coming to come and say that they did not give me my share. I spent my time. I have spent my time for Obaseki to win. I have spent my time for Isaiah Ijamu to win. But today, Isaiah Ijamu is not a governor. He don't even give my son work. He did not give me work. And he forgets me. Tomorrow, you people are coming for all those things. That is why Obaseki. So Obaseki, I fight for you. Now you not forgot me. Tomorrow, you people are coming to come and say the same thing. You people are coming to come and say the same thing. I fought for you. I fought for you. I fought for you. I know a lot of people will go to this message for you to use it. Because I'm angry. That is why I'm shouting right now. For you to use it as a good message, you will go there and be right rubbish at the end of the day. But I am telling you, I watched a program a Sandoka did. Sadoka did one. I did not support you for this. Why you did not support me for this? Castro, Moruji, why you did not support me? Did you like it the way Edo State is today? Did you like it? Did you like it? Just tell me. I am here today to talk my own mind. I don't want anybody's support. You can still fuck off from here. Okay? I live in the Western world. I live in Western world. I did not go to school. Okay? I'm secondary school dropout. But I use my own brain. Those of them that said they are graduates, they are this, they that, they the other one, I believe they don't know more than me. I'm not for APC. I am not for PDP. But I'm just here to come and give you a people like you, Castro, and Moruji. I am here to come and give a person like you an advice. Don't kill yourself because of political. I am here today to enlighten people like you. I am here today to enlighten people like you. In political issue, it's not do or die. No. Obaseki fighting is not for people, not for himself. My dear, Obaseki fighting or not fighting, that is not my problem. Me here right now, I'm talking to you people that be a toys. That say this one talk to PDP, this one talk to PDP. That is why I am here. PDP and APC and PDP, the supporters, that's what I'm here for. I just want to tell you people to beware. You said that we should support a good governor. My dear brother, how are we going to support a good governor? We need to go for prayer. We need to go for fasting and prayer. Any governor that will be that will be our helper, that will make that Edo State better than as it is now, that make Edo State to move forward. That is what we are going to pray for. Not by Obaseki 4+4 Togba, not by Izeyamu PDP Togba. No, I am not the part of them at all. Tomorrow, don't worry, me, I will write your name down, eh? I will write your name down. Castro, Eno Omoruji. I will write your name down, don't worry. And I will go and mark your name. I will mark your name. Because I know a person like you tomorrow, you will come out and say, I fought for PDP for Obaseki to be in TM. But today, Obaseki is not being in the room. Obaseki Magijemere. Obaseki Magijemere. Yeah, Agbeni, where you talk, my brother. I'm going to social media. Anything you have me with social media, I'm going to bring you out. And you will go on list for that. Well, a list here, Bani. Magbinayo Tedo, Otedo di Magbinaji. Make a politician 40-something years old, lady, when we are now. Na make the Evnia do Evnia Edo State. Make the Evnia. If you don't know Evnia, I was a vote now. That dog in ya agbelu funle the streets. In ya way half projects. In ya way half projects. Enyawu. Me no gele we full project. In ya ke we election. When you yani amu yoto when you wefu. And then election ni mi ati ame kadore PDP me ari ye APC me ati ame kade APC me ari ye PDP adagi winani yahu me de robe PDP irobe APC no dole doji e imeje no dole doji no be winning no gele so adole doji mene jesse no be giagbe iya be do lata do popo na ibe do ka me go wese amate ka wo ga shebe ni ana why problem gwa na wa aga wa ya mu oshomule wa man wa ga ta bete de le na ivonia wa lati ania do ka oshomule man no wu wa ga cover up no shomole de le na iwo tu wa ri ka na we oshomole did not do anything oshomole you be baba osho you be baba o oshomole you be wa mo sho baba oshomole osho baba because domoresa e wa yari e ba e meje domoresa yari e ba e I don't eat with domoresa I work before I eat in winna ikeri e ba e I don't eat with clearance for my leader me I don't do that clearance for my chairman I don't use that one to eat clearance for my master I don't use that one to eat I work before I eat What you people problem today? Fighting anybody that say Obaseki winning. Fighting anybody that say is there jam win. What is you people problem? Can't you listen to yourself? Are you normal? More of you there. Are you guys normal? It's not anybody that is the other party. And then you a political issuer. And then you where? And then you agbama wajoa. Esa ewe bo me me ho we iyan gbele gbiyan wa me iyan gbele gbiyan wa because of a political issue. I have never seen it in my life. What who wanna look at what who wanna kiobe e don set up by Nigeria everywhere you feel wa look at wa mwedoria all the name of illegal. Obaseki is working. Izeyamu is working. Inoke is working. Go to Ekioba. Go to Noke. Iteme wala wo. Waje nwa ya tu enajena. Wamana je nwa ya duo. Okwesa geni medege. No wa leg bibi wotona. O ton gbe. Okwesa geno wa le pipipi na ni me wa dege na ni me miene na iteta we igwaye eme politics na because that is not my field. But before I come out today okwesa geni me dege mene Jesse okwesa geni me dege okwigbina ni me dege okwagbada ni me dege o ton gbe wo edoni we a politics na oji mele de me do tam gwadele na we eigbina ogbera erun na jeru ya tuekina no salobola awowo no giomare oga APC okian dole doji ne babala awowo 10 minutes no salobali no real atanima oga PDP okian dole doji ogono 10 minutes no salobali atanima ne do setiga no mi na ma wa madere Ghana wa ma mi Ghana ekwemu wa ge no manoro ne ma wa di egbu wa ya ta e wa ye social media de le na ne ma e wa di egbu wa shi wa madere ne lefe e Ghana ri kai ate kai Ghana ti ajeri o ma mi me a party ni meje a party no lerun. I'm a party of prayer warrior. No salobala agogo o no do le to strategy no salobado di elatia a party ni meje a party where 4+1 talk ba ire party ni ire party 4+1 talk ba ire party Izeyamu talk ba iro wa ye Ghana wa yage Ghana vetele na iwe we ma iwe ruleje Ghana e mo me wi no bo yan ma mi orupa ya ya ro computer ni aja win na ekwemu kwa e mo me wi no bo ni yan yorupa ya wu yan ma mi pa egbe ma ra jeve or hospital imami go send gie e data ma gba oge awon ni ka ya mu go re ne wa ni lawe bo odo menu wa gbe Odawe Nugwagbe, Oma Akun in the Webo, as about Russia Hospital. Who may one era a daughter Igba Ogewe. Not daughter if you have a country, the man of a sigo. The man of a sigo, how to women when the lying answer when woo, near me a Baogewe. In General Hospital, Bemara, a daughter Wagwa. Yemego, Iyawa, I'll give up. Eluwa share. Eluwa lerum. Our pastors. Our pastors. You why your pastors are a politician? A pastor, pastor, we make pastor here. No, he has forced. Oh God. Eluwa share. You wa for ne. If you do. If you don't set him, you wa for ne. Yage money of your a different corner. Anywhere. Yage money of your Latina. Go and look at them. A moro in your majes, Kunya restaurant, that weboa. Or Mama Nagba 18 years never webo. You like it or not, money must to your school. Wama Mia, one in that webo nivero. Why taking ya? No one for plus what talk bar. And one real life it was one pray. No was one lerum. No, so nobody on my corner. Oh, I say, Jamoki and Donu Edoji, Nedonima, oh, I Basekino, no, so nobody ever you buy your yeke, Nedonima, oh, Washe. Not in Latia, what attack, not in Latia, what attack, who was share. Each of our Genetona, I bet you I don't yet do what. Each of our Genetona, but you I don't yet do what now. Eh? Wala gogo si me don yin wa ibi ado wala gogo wa ga ya ta ko pa ona ijobo wa se ijobo irrelevant video vote for Obaseki must win. I will not do that in my life. I am not a part of Obaseki. I am not a part of Izejamu. I am a part of anyone that God will touch his heart, that will move Edo to a better place. That will move Edo State to a better place. That is what the part I am. A part that will not share money for you people that are shouting today. May God they look out for internet. No, I am not a part of all those things. I am not a part of Shansa. I am not a part of clearance from a leader. I am not. If our governor for Spain here, our president here for Spain, Pedro Sanchez. I never see her one day. Pedro Sanchez go they come. They go they say clear road. He no day. You know in the Western world, while most of now they very stupid. Most of now they very stupid. Why most of now say they use the brain of Africa? Why we not feel support our country to better? Oh God. But most of now when they this Europe, una be unlearned people. Unlearned people now na be. Una just a clear. Me when just talk and say I don't go school, I better pass una. Una just a clear be university graduates. Which graduates una be? And we be we koi. At least whatever we mana. Mon wa biele, especially when we are Germany in raw. A government of Bao give you wa. A bunny soon with Nigeria. A bunny as soon with Nigeria. What you going to hear? Wa baba wa here and Nigeria Lagos Spain na ni meje na. And Nigeria Lagos is Germany. And then me na live in no way. If you no way na make me understand where me no Nigeria me no na amigo we boni. Wa gwa le god the can Nigeria no. Wa gwa lo ye can Nigeria no. Wa gwa le chucky chako can Nigeria no. Wa gwa le the best wood the can Nigeria no. Wa gwa le the best leaf can Nigeria no. We are one of the best all year here in Nigeria, no. But today, we are the one that suffer all over the world. I don't talk about Nigeria is the one that suffer. I don't talk about Iya Rimawe na Gisan. Ekwaye Mugwa. Clear off for my master. Clear off for my master. I heard you, sir. Sure. esunu be webo shan esunu be webo agwa udo mi governor kima o de ba de we shan I no say me na we shan ekwe mugwa wibiado ekwe nonugwa ibiado bibiesa ekwe nonugwa gugwa ibiado state gugwa ibiado state ya gugwa gwa popo no wini abe na ekwe mu auchi afema esako esan opa wa yakin. Shame on you people. Shame on you people. Shame on you people. Edo State. Guy, wawa mu Nigeria here. As a social media, the wawa people, the stupidity people, the nyanuhe people, the nyanekia people, the talking anyhow people. Is from Edo State. The normality of the word is from Edo State. Emi Davidan, valawa mi Emi Davidan ki yan wa na. There is nothing good to write about Edo State anymore. About you people. Why was don't worry. I am not this one. What they say? Waga nyanwe otado ibiado wa yakere gwaiga wono kai ibiado wa yakere gwaiga wona ibiado wa yakere ekwemu gwa ekwemu gwa ibiado state ekwemu gwa ayelala Edo State with social media. Ala Nigeria, Edo State with social media. If you do this one, we kill you. Edo State with Nigeria with social media. If you Edo State kwa ke kwega mu wa. Ekwegi mu managers no bi jagbe. Ekwegi mu me. Ekugwa mu me. Ekugwa gi mu me. Agi ke do ka we as from Edo State ekwedo amoma. Na no riwe kwe APC gwa ala Nigeria no igwe APC gwa ala Nigeria no gwe PDP gwa ala Nigeria egibe no Edo no wa kyoge master pa Edo State no wa kyoge master pa I know Edo State no wa kien e gwa master Omanugwa shansa gba ya wina when o weje school gbina ga eleru ti gwe no salobua no bi onware no dodole doji gbe are manu gbe asuwo why you go where ya gbin eru ye e cap you go where ya protect wulatia you go where ya we banner you go where ya we a poster you go where ya we me ate to support the governor who are work ala that do aso work ala that do afie gbuwe work ala that do ka wuge wala gogo igwe ni do imi gwa ibi edo wa agbele gbugwa wa jeme a politics wa agbele gbugwa wa jeme politics adegina ga vano sibere uya mume no umume wa agbele gbugwa wa ba politics wa kereba Obaseki fighting for himself, not Edo people, okay? Osayende Kisli. Is there Jamu the same thing? When Obaseki binane gbe, is there Jamu binane gbe? So wakima, let the followers, let the followers mamegu waro, let the followers. Wa galerun. Erun oro meje. A prayer no ro meje. No salopua, no do we, no dioma latia, no anti dole doji, no dioma latia, no seti movedo, no dioma latia, no seti we edele na orukpagi redo, manirewe bonibun, mejo wa because ukpama. Imoto ni mate we ni madenia, ni mawe ni mamu ariogwa, wa mweso wa laogo, ozin. Owangi majo wa. Ukbema. I know by your elbow for 20 something years ago. A coronavirus can rire, a dadogane and Vibia Ariowa, a Yana Gogo. If you're Nigeria, Nigogi in Nigeria, a Yana Swanso. Oh, yeah, we were, a Yana Swanso, but one not tell that way, Ebonikia. Or one no control, a Miameka way, where another mere where every see, no, I cannot say I go no. But no, can you why a Yana Swanso with social media. Anasu ke dia so awu jobokian we ni kan ya de ba he e no gba ni kian we no na mi we e wo be ana vie flat ya afian ade wo yan e ku emu gwa nu wa ya agbina your those things wa agbina we chance clear for my master abaseki no ba ti e abat no wa mo we that nobody go enter bin obi o ka kede no kian maye obi o ka kede no kian maye joge we are the well at ana the well at na ka we me ana ka we get mention gwa wo no boy no ki ha eya nwuna ye gbe wenu akwo nu ado le gbe weji etu wenu na etu mi ate nu ya gbe nu dology se agbina le ran ri gbina agbina ye no gun ayo se ke no ma gun ayo se ya agbina won eya gba oge gbu ege nu ya gba oge gbewe uya agbina le ran ri kian obi o ka kere okian ma gbon ugbina wo gbe situation o se be ni na de we do we gbugbe ya gie e ma no poma so e we do ye gbugbe ya gie ma no poma so no ma mi go e when you let me go, you get government guy in here, government ya sanu where a condition where you na. Unu no, and I do me where the me where you go where I give on no problem that so my brother. So for all those things, let's be real. Maybe where Jesse Aqua that one where you just have to enter Bini, my brother go enter Bini, nothing will happen. As so now no be you get Bini now, monobane do, now you get that do. Me, I go enter Bini, nothing will happen. Do you understand? So, my dear brother, know your reason me. If you hear this matter, no reason me. Now, advice now I can't give you. Arrange yourself. Arrange yourself. Make sure, you go arrange your whole life, your whole children, your whole family. You are too young for all those things. 30-something years old. Look at the way you look like. Look at the way you just look like. Wa mu me politics wa mu nya hu go wa be mi ate no gbin na aware nu we not Obaseki erugwo pa no Obaseki is our governor. Is he only your governor? No ane gyo magua. Obaseki is not only your governor. La go when you be aware. We be ate ke easy my brother. You be aware. We no my governor. A language in Wallon, any governor no governor who were all those states no. Why use a language no we school, we not take we graduate. La we go we like school ma finishing, very me join very I'm a secondary school dropout, I can read and write. Once I remember. So my dear, everybody say my we were school, we are school, when you agbe we when you when ye. Then we are be say wa ge we okay wa fe okay, what for me? No, we don't need to do all those things. And if fight anybody not really Latin, anybody not really Latin, King Latin, King tell me that don't let me right no yak bin binage, and that don't let me right no yak tell no tabun way, or man miss not by force. And that don't let me right. Only if I have been already back big war. Iye inviting gbegbe ori on pa gbegbe una gele de kan ni ya gbinigbe nani ori e fa na gbin ori on pa gbegbe so gbe we afa to gugbe me ti wa be la tan we PDP APC we that no do ya ta ma we agugwe PDP iye ti wa be la tan we APC wala wogo wala wa gbin na lo ba se ke ti wa gbin na lo ba se ke wa ri e to wa especially if you are a member of knowing Agbinane Obaseki Agbinane Obaseki to wa Medoria kuwanire webo kuwanire Nigeria to wa Medoria o egbu gwani wara webo noro o wa esekeseke ohun wa to me o da me nu wa gbe nu wa na je kina me na gbugwa wo ma ye kino fe na kawa nu wa na ewe ewo nu wa je me na ya live here wo ewo nu wa je no kekiri wa ta mi ya me na ya live here we area ya yin wala agogo wala wafinye area ya yin wala agogo ibi Edo ni Mose Edo State make una change una character. This na character, you no vote for Obaseki, no enter Benin. You no vote for Ezejamu, no enter Benin. That one no, e no right abeg. Make una change am, e no good. Make una change that way. E no just good at all. Anybody have the right to vote for anyone when he wants. No. Why all those things? Why? Please, my lovely people, you have to change from your bad way to your good way. Politician is not for gigolo like you people. It's not for well, we just could be at him and go. Even what go ni mas one bunwe. One way graduates, I've go ni mas just go masowa. Just look at the way you people are living your life about a politician way. You are calling yourself a graduate. How do you be a graduate? Nigeria is falling down. Edo State is dying. A lot of states is better than Edo State today. There's no good road. There's no light. There's no food. Go and look at the widow in the street, crying here and there, suffering here and there, kidnapper everywhere. You are still fighting that this one will not enter Benin. This one will not enter Benin. What is your problem? My dear, let anybody talk. Government of pay go 1 year. That don't have the right. No, you choose a party. No Google. No voting now. That don't have the right. No, you support anybody. No support. Where we support Google. That's how to live. Anybody don't live. My governor. A governor where? No, a governor where? Where social media no do re governor that they where don't go with me. I dey well with mine. Oh where? Why you people are behaving like this? Why you people are behaving like this? A governor my way, it's not your governor. Governor is for Edo State, not for only one person. Okay? No Godfather, nothing like Godfather. Godfather, you know, go happen for Benin again. Do you understand? It's my God daddy. No. What they call it? Politician way. But why the Godfather Henry? What is the people problem? Fighting here. Don't go and vote for Obaseki. Vote for Ezejamu. Vote for this one. If you don't vote for Obaseki, no enter Benin. No enter Benin. No enter Benin. No do this one. No do this one. No do this one. What does that mean? Are you helping the issue? Are you helping Edo State? Emma no don't win the tobacco. Wa gbeli ya fo. Ba meta we election. Wa gbele gbugwa ya fo. Wa me gbele gbugwa fo. Don't he and win election. Dina wa la taba we APC. APC ya wa move. Rio. Wa la wo wa gbere yin rewo. Wa la ho. Wa gbere yin rewo. Wa ge ko ya mugwa. Ibi Edo State wa gbere yin rewo. Wa ni rewe boniro wa iwa dose. Wa ni wa rewe boniro wa dose. Wa ni rewe boniro wa awe pastors ni wa kie church ni ado a preach politician o da me nu wa gbe. Awe pastor no iwa do a kie church wa do we politician we na shame on you people. Eri eso wa kan ya win no salobo wa rije ya ga enia eri maga ebuari When na do sun eni awe igo nu wari di ami e church na do a monitor vena sun anagele miewe so ewe kele nwini no saloboa. Why you will be crying? Oh sevigo ae na gele miewe ni a control igugwa because igo ewa kunwa so wa nwini no saloboa so my dear people wa gbere irebo no kame sie wa gbere irebo wa gbere irebo mi bun wa yari Edo State emi bun wa yari Edo State and we church ni wa to ye ba ni no elo wa ya poluto obungbe o wa ye church ni in short that is another deep topic because even the wa gugun abedele na o wa emi bi yan ni gbina ye politics. Don't insult my governor. O ma gbe irako irako na akape o ma la to na gbo obi wo. Yes, the webo man aga no den Nigeria no money lie. Den Nigeria no webo ke no na akape ke ohun bi ba o wo. Den Nigeria no money lie. What problem wa gbele gbugwa wa bana. We man wa gbinana if we are outside country. wa gbele gbugwa wa no enter Nigeria wa create enmity wa create grian wa ri tuwe gbe ijobo no fekere wa te o negbe wa ti we negbe all the name of politics. Shame on you people. Shame on you people. Shame on you people. Ekwe nonu wa la wo wa fi were wa gbele gbugwa wa because of a politics. A politics game. Try your luck, you know. Either you win or you lose. Either you lose or you win. Either you lose or you win. That is politics. No? My dear people, what time was say? Ruda, omona momi ati e be ya go. Nekin ahon. E video ni mebe una abazu oni ro abi latia, yen we do azu for them to say we are okona verse of galeri ni ma. Yen we latia we do azu. Why is something my fefe? Robi akobe, Robi enoke, Robi anybody no riwagun ajo what was wa Robi. Is it by force? Is it by force to vote for a plus 4 plus what talk ba? For to vote for Ize Jamu? Force. Allah will go my people. It that way my choice. All you bow, you call. Everybody have your choice. Who be me, you make choice way. After Natal and government may ask go one in Nigeria. A government may have in Nigeria. At least a 40 I got to go to 2000 around one. Aqua, they want to swam via. Everyone wish you want me at being away where we will call Boniaji. No, why are the room? What be now? What is all this? Please, my guys, change from it. It's not a good way. Change from it. It's not a good way. Okay, don't create an enemy. My good advice for you people. Don't create enemy. Don't create it because of politics. Emwegian rude Arioba carioba no ga lapo. No do dole doji e okeke ma ya lerun ji. Arioba no do ri adori ona we mi ni fun ni agbenele loto. Iye igbelufun le loto ni. Iye ke erosion. Iye wa we election for the bana. Ogo ye so alewo edo. Ogo so amu emo. Ibi e monike school there Russians so afian wa o enena so yen wa ye mu wa for how many years they sort of 30 something years we 30 years mu wa for good 15 years abi 18 years yen ye mu wa o ota menu wa gbe wa lerun wa e money Russian if you we do e money no good with carelessness without no good hospital no good treatment era bi je mami go ya gba o wa e money e la e ko nonu wa nisi wa e bye bye.